Feeling a little sluggish after all that summer fun? Maybe a bit weighed down by those delicious but not so nutritious treats, late nights, and less movement than usual? It happens to the best of us. Summer is for enjoyment, but sometimes our bodies need a little reset button. You're not alone if you're craving that lighter, brighter, more energized feeling right now. The good news is, you don't need a drastic cleanse or a week-long retreat to feel amazing again. Your secret weapon for a gentle detox and a powerful energy boost is right here. In just 15 minutes, you can transform how you feel, stimulating your organs, improving digestion, and releasing tension that's been holding you back. Get ready to discover a quick yoga routine that's a total game changer for your summer wellness. This isn't about deprivation, it's about invigoration. We're going to move through a series of poses designed to gently awaken your body's natural cleansing processes. Think of it as a refreshing internal shower, washing away the stagnant energy and making space for vibrant health. Each pose has a specific purpose, working synergistically to bring you back into balance. We'll focus on movements that encourage circulation, stimulate your digestive system, and release physical and mental tension. This isn't just about your body, it's about clearing your mind and uplifting your spirit too. You'll be amazed at how much lighter and clearer you feel after just a quarter of an hour. Let's dive in and discover these powerful poses together. Pose 1. Gentle twist. Let's start with a gentle twist. A true powerhouse for internal cleansing. This pose is like a loving massage for your insides, helping to wring out toxins and flush waste from your digestive system. It's incredibly beneficial for stimulating your liver and kidneys, which are key players in your body's natural detoxification process. To begin, find a comfortable seated position, perhaps cross-legged or with your legs extended in front of you. Sit tall, lengthening your spine as if a string is gently pulling you up from the crown of your head. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently twist your torso to one side. Place one hand behind you for support, and the other hand on your opposite knee. Remember, this is a gentle twist, not a forced one. Listen to your body, and only go as far as feels comfortable. With each inhale, imagine lengthening your spine even more. And with each exhale, see if you can deepen the twist just a tiny bit. Feel that gentle compression in your abdomen. That's your internal organs getting a wonderful squeeze and release. Hold this twist for several breaths, allowing your breath to guide the movement and release. Then, slowly unwind back to center and repeat on the other side. Notice the difference in how each side feels. This pose is fantastic for improving digestion, relieving bloating, and bringing fresh, oxygenated blood to your organs. It's a simple yet profound way to kickstart your detox journey. This gentle twist also helps to release tension in your spine and shoulders, areas where we often hold a lot of stress. By releasing this physical tension, you also create space for mental clarity. It's a beautiful way to begin our practice, preparing your body and mind for the deeper work to come. And speaking of releasing tension, our next pose is a game changer for your back. Pose 2. Forward fold. Now let's move into a forward fold, a pose that offers incredible benefits for both your body and your mind. This pose is a fantastic way to calm your nervous system, quiet a busy mind, and release deep tension in your hamstrings and lower back. If you've been feeling any stiffness or discomfort in your back, this pose can be a true game changer. From a seated position, extend your legs straight out in front of you. Flex your feet, drawing your toes back towards your shins. Take a deep breath in, sitting tall, and reaching your arms overhead. As you exhale, hinge forward from your hips, reaching your hands towards your feet, ankles, or shins. The goal isn't to touch your toes, but to create a long, straight spine. Allow your head and neck to relax, letting gravity gently pull you deeper into the stretch. You should feel a stretch along the back of your legs and in your lower back. If your hamstrings feel tight, you can place a slight bend in your knees. The most important thing is to keep your spine long and avoid rounding your back. This ensures you're stretching the right areas safely. Breathe deeply here, sending your breath into any areas of tightness. With each exhale, imagine releasing tension and letting go of anything that no longer serves you. This pose is incredibly grounding and introspective. It encourages you to turn inward, calming the chatter of the mind and promoting a sense of peace. It's a wonderful way to de-stress and find mental clarity. I remember when I first started yoga, touching my toes felt impossible. But I learned that the true benefit of the forward fold isn't about flexibility. It's about the release. It's about finding stillness and allowing your body to open gently. This pose is a powerful reminder that progress, not perfection, is the key. And if you're still working on touching your toes, don't worry, we'll talk about modifications to that in a moment. Hold this pose for several breaths, allowing yourself to surrender to the stretch. When you're ready to come out, slowly roll up one vertebra at a time, letting your head be the last thing to rise. Feel the fresh blood flow back into your legs and torso. This pose is a beautiful way to release physical and mental burdens, preparing you for the expansive energy of our next pose. Pose 3. Triangle pose. Next up is triangle pose, a vibrant and energizing pose that truly opens your side body and stimulates your digestive organs. This pose is fantastic for stretching the hamstrings, groins, and hips, while also strengthening the legs and core. It's a wonderful way to create space in your torso, allowing your internal organs to function more optimally. From a standing position, step your feet wide apart, about 3 to 4 feet. Turn your right foot out 90 degrees, so your toes point to the top of your mat, and slightly angle your left foot in. Extend your arms out to the sides at shoulder height, palms facing down. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, reach forward with your right hand, extending your torso over your right leg. Then, drop your right hand down to your shin, ankle, or a block, and extend your left arm straight up towards the ceiling. Gaze up at your left hand, or if that's uncomfortable for your neck, look straight ahead or down at your right foot. Imagine a straight line from your left fingertips all the way down to your right fingertips. Keep both legs strong and engaged. Feel the incredible stretch along your left side body, from your hip all the way up to your armpit. This expansion helps to create space for your digestive organs, encouraging healthy elimination and detoxification. It also strengthens your core and improves your balance, bringing a sense of stability and groundedness. If you have a knee injury or feel any discomfort, remember to keep a micro bend in your front knee. Yoga is about listening to your body, not pushing through pain. You can also place your bottom hand on your thigh instead of reaching lower. The key is to feel the stretch and the opening, not to achieve a perfect shape. Hold this invigorating pose for several breaths, feeling the energy flow through your body. With each inhale, imagine expanding and creating more space. And with each exhale, feel yourself rooting down and finding stability. When you're ready, slowly come back up to standing and repeat on the other side. Notice how this pose awakens your entire being, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. Triangle pose is a fantastic way to build heat in the body, which aids in the detoxification process. It also improves circulation, bringing fresh blood and oxygen to every cell. This pose truly embodies the idea of feeling lighter and brighter, both physically and energetically. It's a beautiful way to bring balance and vitality into your summer routine. Pose 4. Child's pose. After all that wonderful work, it's time to come home to yourself with child's pose. This pose is a sanctuary, a place of deep rest, relaxation, and centering. It's the perfect way to integrate the benefits of the previous poses and to calm your nervous system, bringing you back to a state of peace and tranquility. From a kneeling position, bring your big toes to touch and spread your knees wide as your mat, or keep them closer together if that feels more comfortable for your hips. Sink your hips back towards your heels. Then, walk your hands forward, extending your arms out in front of you, and rest your forehead gently on the mat. If your forehead doesn't comfortably reach the mat, you can place a folded blanket or a cushion underneath it. The goal is to feel completely supported and at ease. Allow your shoulders to relax and your entire body to surrender to the earth. Feel the gentle stretch in your hips and lower back as you rest. This pose is incredibly grounding and comforting. It allows you to turn inward, to connect with your breath, and to simply be. It's a powerful reminder that rest is just as important as movement, especially when we're talking about wellness and detoxification. Your body needs time to process and integrate. I often find myself returning to child's pose whenever I feel overwhelmed or need a moment of quiet reflection. It's a true game changer for mental clarity and emotional balance. It's a safe space where you can release any lingering tension, both physical and mental. Breathe deeply into your back body, feeling your ribs expand with each inhale and soften with each exhale. Allow your breath to become slow and steady, guiding you deeper into relaxation. Stay here for as long as you need, allowing yourself to fully unwind and recharge. This pose is a gift you give to yourself, A moment of pure self-care. When you're ready to come out, slowly press yourself back up to a comfortable, seated position. Take a moment to notice how you feel. The combination of these 4 poses creates a powerful yet gentle sequence that supports your body's natural ability to cleanse and rejuvenate. You've just given yourself an incredible gift. You did it! In just 15 minutes, you've moved through a powerful sequence designed to make you feel lighter, brighter, and more energized. We started with the gentle twist, giving your internal organs a wonderful massage to aid in detoxification. Then, we moved into the forward fold, releasing tension from your back and calming your mind. Next, we opened and energized with triangle pose, creating space in your side body and stimulating your digestive system. Finally, we found deep rest and centering in child's pose, allowing your body and mind to integrate all the wonderful benefits. This isn't just a yoga routine, it's a commitment to your well-being, a powerful act of self-care. You've taken a significant step towards boosting your wellness, improving your flexibility, and guiding your body through a gentle summer detox. Imagine incorporating this short, powerful routine into your daily life. How much more vibrant and alive would you feel? The benefits extend far beyond the mat, impacting your energy levels, your mood, and your overall sense of well-being. This 15-minute practice is your secret weapon for navigating the rest of summer feeling amazing. It's proof that even busy individuals can find time for profound self-care. Remember, consistency is key. Even a few minutes each day can make a world of difference. Keep coming back to these poses whenever you need a reset, a boost, or just a moment of peace. Now, to help you continue on your wellness journey, I have something special for you. I've put together a FREE guide on healthy summer eating, packed with delicious recipes and tips to complement your yoga practice and further support your body's natural cleansing process. You can download it right now using the link below this video. It's the perfect companion to this detox yoga flow. And if you love this practice and are looking for more ways to adapt yoga to your unique needs, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. In our next video, we'll be diving even deeper into yoga for summer, beginner modifications. We'll explore how to adjust poses for different body types and levels, ensuring everyone can enjoy the incredible benefits of yoga. Thank you for joining me on the mat today. Keep shining, keep moving, and keep feeling amazing. You've got this.